Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to run an HTML document using Sublime Text. If you are new to web development, Sublime Text is a lightweight text editor that you can use to create and edit HTML files. We will create a simple web page, save it as an HTML file, and then open it in a web browser. Let's get started. First, open Sublime Text. Click File at the top. Then select New File. Before adding any code, let's save the file. Click File again. Then select Save As. Choose where you want to save your HTML file. For this example, I will save it in my Downloads folder. Make sure to add .html at the end of the file name. Then click Save. Now we have created our HTML document. Next, let's add some HTML code. Sublime Text has a quick way to create the basic HTML structure. Type HTML and then press the tab key. Sublime Text will automatically create the basic HTML structure for you. Now let's add some content to our web page. Inside the title tag, I will enter my text setup. Then inside the body section, add an H1 tag. For the heading, I will type my favorite tag tools. Next, add a paragraph using the P tag. I will type welcome to my simple web page where I share some of my favorite technology tools. You can add more headings and paragraphs if you want to include additional information on the page. Once you have finished making your changes, click File. Then select Save. Now let's open the web page in a browser. There is a quick way to preview it directly from Sublime Text. Right click inside the HTML file. Then select Open in Browser. Your web page will open in your default browser. Another way is to open the folder where you saved your HTML file. Right click the HTML file, then select Open Containing Folder. Find your HTML document, then double click the file. Your default web browser will open the HTML document and display your web page. And there it is. You can now see the web page we created using Sublime Text. And that's it. You have successfully created and run a simple HTML document using Sublime Text. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.